Do you wish to feel young? Do you wish to not only look young but to stay young as well? Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, I will be talking about asanas to make you feel young. While it is definitely not possible to stop aging, we can stay healthier by adopting yoga. The first pose is tree pose or vrikshasana. Start in a standing position by setting both your feet firmly on the mat. Keep a slight distance between your feet for better balance. Keep your left hand on your waist and bend your right leg at the knee. The sole of the bent leg will be resting against the left inner thigh. Bring your palms together and raise them above your head level if comfortable. Otherwise, keep them at the center of your chest. Your head, shoulders, pelvis and left foot will be aligned vertically. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing naturally, and then switch sides. Let's take a look at the next pose, Warrior Pose 2 or Veerbhadrasana 2. Start by standing straight in Tadasana. Take a distance of 3.5 to 4 feet between your legs. Turn your right foot to the right and the left foot straight. Exhale and bend your right knee towards the right ankle. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor. Extend your arms alongside the shoulders, parallel to the floor. Maintain your torso in the center as you look towards the right thumb. Stay in this position for about 45 to 60 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Coming on to the last pose, the fish pose or Matsyasana. Lie with your back on the mat, slightly lift your hips and slide your hands below and rest your hips on your hands. Now, press your forearms and elbows against the floor to lift your upper torso and head. Your knees can be slightly bent or extend your legs ahead as per your comfort. Press your head towards the back, placing the crown of the head on the floor. There should be no strain on the neck. You may choose to use a block or cushion under your head for support. Keep this position for 20 to 30 seconds and maintain smooth breathing. Repeat these postures 3 times regularly to feel the benefits of this routine. When you practice these regularly, you notice that your stamina improves, your blood circulation improves, helping you feel more rejuvenated. While you can't stop your body from growing old, you can practice yoga to feel young even in old age. Do you think considering a healthy lifestyle can also help in anti-aging? Do share your thoughts with us on this and keep watching this space for more such content.